this video, I will show you how to fix Google Maps arrow pointing in the wrong direction. So if it's pointing in the wrong direction, simply open Google Maps. Now here you can see this compass icon. Simply click on it. After that, it might adjust the arrow. The next thing that you can do is simply click on your profile in the search bar. Once you do it, scroll down below, then click on settings. Click on navigation. After that, scroll down below. Here you can see keep map north up. If this toggle is turned on, then your arrow will always show towards the north. So simply turn this off. Now the next thing that you can do is simply click and hold on to Google Maps. Then click on more features. Then click on app info. Once you do that, click on permissions. Now click on location. Make sure that allow all the time or allow only while using is turned on. And if this use precise location button is turned off, make sure to turn it on. And one last thing that you can do is simply go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for maps. Now check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And once your app is updated, you can relaunch it and your problem should have been fixed now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.